Well, it's the 1st of October. This is my 9th incarnation of a strawberry house. This is the 8th. It was all good, but there's this little kind of mole thing called a ratoupier, and he lives around all the base. He lives around the support pieces of wood. So as soon as we get rain, the rain goes into his tunnels, and then the soil just literally erodes. I can show you. Can you see this? This whole thing just collapses. The whole thing just collapses like that. No, you can't really see, but that step should be up there. But I think it's worth investing in. You know, I'm getting the. You know, it's full of flowers. Look, full of flowers. So these plants are, you know, relatively mature now. Particularly those. Well, they're all these ones are all the same age, and then still got to fix this mess. But in a application of lessons learned this year, the plants are much bigger, so we should have a really good crop of gariguette in there. And then I'm going to use this space for tomatoes and things like that. So I haven't spent a huge amount of money, I know, and it obviously looks like that, but I don't know, man. It's just something about strawberries I just can't give up, despite all the problems. So I'm thinking next year. I think next year I know what I'm doing. Still full of bees, look, you know. Still full of bees. No, I'm going to keep on going. You see, these plants have been in for a year. They haven't even fruited yet. So there's another 500 plants that have matured for a year. And then yeah, I think I've got the design. I think next year, if I can. I know the roof looks terrible as a, you know, with my newfound career as a fucking roofer, but it's not the same kind of thing, is it? So it's quite impressive to see that I've used very few nails, very few screws, basically string, old bits of wood. So you know, all the learning has been done for cheap. I know there's going to be a problem in that section there. I know that for a fact. But we'll see. That's going to rain later, and I'll be here because I'll be working underneath. We've got a whole week of horrible weather, so I thought, well, let's get this done, get it dry, and then I can finish the weeding, taking off the stolons, sorting out the edges. Oh, there's one bit of bamboo I forgot. Massive problem. So anyway, yeah, that's the 1st of October 2020. What a fucking year, man.